Hello folks, one of my most hated jobs is grinding at a car. But this is the thing we are going to do today, so have fun with this time lapse. As you could see, he put a hell out of putty on this place, above the rust, you see. This is a repair which can't work very well. So let's go on and see what we find more. Sorry guys, the video stopped and I didn't see it because I was working on it. I cleaned all the surface where the rust were. The rest seems to be okay, not perfect but okay. Remember, this is not a Jaguar E-Type, this is just a Arosa for 130 bucks. Now I will mask this part with a 1K rust protection, so I can go on with the rest of the paint job, but so I don't get any problems with air and water on these places. I will cover it shortly up with a 1K. Now before you mask anything with new paint, remember to use a silicone remover so that your new paint job will stay there where you want it. So as I said, this is a non-professional repair for a very cheap car. If you are doing better stuff, you can do it like professional, but this car don't need to be professionally restored. I think the finished solution will still be fine. Let's check it out later. If you need to repair bigger surfaces, take the glass fiber putty. some black paint or something like that. Just make some points. So if you do this, you will see where you have holes in your putty. So as you can see, we have some high and some low spots. What does it mean, high and low spot? So this is a low spot. There is not enough material to get the correct shape. And you see here already the metal. That's a high spot. That means that here and here is not material enough. So the surface is still not smooth, and I will correct this with a more fine putty. And yeah, let's go on. 90% done. Remember, grinding is the most important thing when you want to paint something or brush something on a car. Because when the grinding is bad, the whole paint job will look shitty, bad, worse, whatever, later. The best thing is take your time, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, don't mind the time, to do a good, decent grind job. So the battery got lost. I'm sorry for that. So you can see. Not perfect, but for a car like this, pretty okay. Bruce, what's that? What are you watching for? Is there an enemy? Who's incoming? Who's incoming? Oh. Oh, there's the enemy. Aufpassen. Aufpassen. Okay, come here. Come here. Good boy.